practice. And of course, to all our Sample Central, alam ko, you're being inspired by our little stars today. So I hope you guys to let your kids join on July 13. That's gonna be next week. Meron pa po tayong second preliminary audition for the SM Little Stars 2025. So kung hindi nakaabot sa registration, ang inyong mga anak o apo, pamangkin, kapitbahay, meron pa po tayong second preliminary audition on July 13, only here at SM City Olongapo Central. So meron pa kayong 1 week to practice for your singing talent, dancing talent, or any cool act. May it be magic tricks or ano pa man yan. Gustong-gusto namin makita yan for our next preliminary audition. So, now let's move on to our next contestant. Contestant number 7, Marcos John Ray Raquino. Palakpakan po natin si Marcos.
Go, kuya.
Marcos, ilang taon ka na?
I'm 7 years old po.
7 years old. Nag-aaral?
Yes po.
Where are you studying?
JFK SPED po.
Sa?
JFK SPED.
JFK SPED. I believe it's in Subic, ano? Ayan. So what's your favorite subject?
Math.
Math. 3 times 2.
3 times 2. Answer. 3 times 2.
Okay.
3 times 2.
Ang pangalan mo ay Marcos, and what will you be singing for us today? What's the title of your song?
Magpakailanman.
Magpakailanman. May si Cornejo ba ito?
Yes.
Sige nga. Gusto ka na namin marinig. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Marcos John Ray Raquino.
Go, kuya. Go, kuya.